Hello, my name is Brian Sugerman. I am once again the master class advisor. I am super excited that your student has decided to take a master class this year. Master class is one of the most unique opportunities we have here at Marymount High School, and oftentimes because it is such a unique opportunity, parents and students don't really understand exactly what master class is. So hopefully this little introduction video provides you an opportunity to truly get an understanding of what we do in master class and how it will benefit your child in the future. Before I get into that, again, my name is Brian Sugerman. I'm the coordinator of technology and experiential learning here at Marymount Schools, but I also serve as the masterclass advisor, and I am super excited that your student is enrolled in masterclass this year. So what is masterclass? Masterclass is an opportunity for your student to pursue a passion, whether it's calligraphy, world religion, whether it's computer programming, whether it is music venues across the United States. The opportunities that your child presents are endless within masterclass. What I truly love is where your student starts may not be where they finish. So during the masterclass, I mentor your student. They come in, they come up with this passionate idea of something they want to spend time on that they may not have other times in their life or during the school day to study. And through that, we try and help them gear that to maybe find something that could fit in their future, maybe find something they're passionate about and want to explore when they go to college. We've seen that with many of our past students. So basically, we set small goals throughout the semester to try and reach that big goal. That big goal changes as we go down this windy road of masterclass, but it is truly amazing to see the experience, to see the learning, to see everything that goes into what they're doing because they're passionate about, and the time they spend really digging into these rabbit holes to try and figure out more about their passion. Our goal this year is not only to allow them to pursue their passion, but our goal is also to give them some of these soft skills, these career readiness skills, employability skills. So each 2 weeks during the semester, the students are going to embark on a new module. Some of the modules will revolve around time management, organization, interviewing skills, different skills that are really going to prepare them for the college atmosphere, prepare them for the career. It's something we're adding in this year that I think is very well needed and often forgot about in the typical classroom because they just have so much other content that they have to cover. So really what we're trying to do with Masterclass is make this an opportunity where they're pursuing something passionate to them, but also is getting some of these soft skills that are going to make them better learners, better people, and better employees down the road. So what does a typical week look like in Masterclass? So on Monday, I'll typically sit down with your student, review the module that's due that 2 weeks, talk about those assignments, but also try and get them to have a game plan of what they want to tackle that week. Again, I'm not standing over their shoulder. I'm not forcing them to learn in that moment during that, but because of that flexibility, what we've learned through the Masterclass program, we're entering our 4th year now, is that students are pursuing that passion. So they're passionate about doing things and they're passionate about learning. This is a time in their day that it is not structured completely. It is not pressing, but it gives them that opportunity to really pursue that passion of theirs. And because it's something they're excited about, we see tons of learning going on. By Friday, we typically have a check-in. What did we do that week? Did we accomplish our short-term goals? Do we need to work harder next week? Did we do tons this week and we need a day off going into the next week? It's really a chance to get that one-on-one connection where I can help guide them to where their learning needs to go. Sometimes they've exceeded their goal for the week, which we love seeing. So now we try and rein it in and say, let's direct it the following week. So why take Masterclass is one of these common questions. But again, it's time for our students to really find something they're passionate about and have that opportunity to really dig into it. For instance, we've had kids looking into Formula 1 race cars, where that is a passion and that's something they may want to pursue in their future, but they don't have time because of their busy schedules, because of athletics, because of the clubs and work that they're involved in. So now during during the class time, they have 40 to 50 minutes a week, or a day, to really pursue that passion and see if this is something that they would like to do. Truthfully, we do feel it provides a great opportunity for them to pursue something in their future. A lot of times students start something during their master class, maybe take a second class, but then at the end of the day, this may be a major, a minor, or a club or an organization they get involved in once they go onto a college campus or into a trade school. And mostly, what I love about masterclass is it provides a lifetime of opportunity. Some of these soft skills we're teaching them: how to learn by yourself, how to time management, how to set goals and accomplish them. Those little soft skills are really, really important. That this is giving them the opportunity to do in more of an unstructured atmosphere, but knowing there's requirements and knowing there's grades and knowing there's things they need to accomplish by that. And one of the last aspects that I truly, truly love about Masterclass is we have students in one bell that are learning about tons of different things, but the collaboration that can happen in that is quite amazing to see. So for instance, last year during one bell, I had a girl doing healthy eating. So she was doing diets, she was doing cooking, she was meal prepping for the week and doing that. And I also had another young lady who was doing social media marketing. What an awesome collaboration that these two could do, as the one young lady was coming up with recipes and taking videos and pictures of the food she was making. Our social media marketing student was helping her on how to market that and how to do that, and she created an Instagram, got tons of followers, and did things like that. So the collaboration between the interdisciplinaries of them learning different aspects but still being able to communicate and talk is truly just a unique side effect of what we're trying to do in Masterclass. So if you can't tell, I'm passionate about Masterclass. I love it. I think, again, it's one of the most unique things we do here at Marymount High School, and really providing our students this one-in-a-lifetime opportunity that they can pursue that passion of theirs, and hopefully when they leave Marymount High School, that they can keep this with them, and it's a skill and it's a passion of theirs that they can pursue for a lifetime. So if you ever have any questions throughout the semester, please reach out to me. My contact information is below right here, but please reach out to me. I'm always happy to talk to you, and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. But I'm so excited your student signed up for Masterclass this year, and I cannot wait to go down and embark in this learning with them. So thank you, have a great day, and please reach out if you have any questions.